Deep in the forest surrounded by nature, I embarked on one of my most ambitious projects yet, building a creative, charming four-story villa house with a swimming pool park and a functional water well. This project combines architecture, recreation and sustainable living, creating a harmonious space where creativity and nature coexist. Over the next 20 minutes, I'll take you step by step through this incredible journey. Stage E: Site selection and planning. The first step was choosing the ideal location. It looked for a flat, stable area with enough space for both the villa and the swimming pool park. The site needed natural protection from trees and access to a water source for the pool and the water well. Once the area was cleared of debris, rocks and branches, I mapped out the villa layout, pool placement, water slides, and the water well location, ensuring optimal flow and harmony between all elements. Stage R: Foundation and structural work. A strong foundation was crucial for this four-story villa. Trenches were dug, and the soil was reinforced to ensure stability. Using a combination of mud, wood and stone, I began constructing the villa walls, carefully layering materials to provide strength while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Wooden beams were added to support multiple floors, and each floor was planned for specific functions such as living areas, bedrooms, and entertainment spaces. Stage 3: Constructing the villa floors. With the foundation ready, construction moved upward. Each floor was built meticulously, combining traditional building techniques with modern design ideas. Large windows were added to bring in natural light and provide forest views. Interior spaces were designed for both functionality and comfort, ensuring the villa would be a livable, beautiful structure while blending seamlessly with the forest surroundings. Stage 4: Designing the swimming pool park. Once the villa structure was complete, I focused on the swimming pool park. The pool was dug carefully and lined to hold water securely, with depth and flow designed for both safety and enjoyment. Curves and edges were smoothed to create an inviting recreational space surrounding the pool. I planned slides pads and seating areas to maximize both fun and relaxation. Stage 5: Building water slides and recreational features. The water slides were next. I designed multiple slides with different heights and curves to create a thrilling yet safe experience. Each slide was connected to the pool, ensuring smooth water flow and a continuous cycle of fun. Inflatable zones and floating obstacles were added to enhance the experience, making the swimming pool park a complete recreational hub for all ages. Stage 6: Water well construction. A functional water well was incorporated to provide a sustainable water source for the villa and swimming pool. The well was dug deep, lined carefully, and equipped with a simple yet effective mechanism to draw water. This not only added practicality to the villa but also showcased how modern and traditional techniques can work together in harmony with nature. Stage 7: Landscaping and aesthetic integration. To make the project visually appealing, landscaping elements were added around the villa and pool. Rocks, plants, and natural textures blended the structures into the forest environment. Walkways were created for easy access, and seating areas were strategically placed for relaxation. Every detail was designed to create a cohesive and charming space. Stage 8: Finishing touches and testing. The final stage involved testing the water flow, ensuring the slides were safe, and polishing all surfaces. The water well was tested to guarantee a reliable water supply. Every element, from the villa walls to the pool and slides, was carefully checked to ensure both functionality and aesthetics. Conclusion: By the end, this four-story villa house with a swimming pool, park and water well became a true forest retreat. It's not just a home, It as a combination of creativity, luxury, and sustainable living. From the first shovel of earth to the final water slide test, the project demonstrates that with vision, patience, and dedication, even the most ambitious ideas can become reality. Every detail works together to create a harmonious, beautiful, and functional space that combines living, recreation, and nature in one extraordinary project.